Meaning of handful.
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 Handful. The word handful is usually used to describe a small quantity of something that can be held in one's hand. It can also refer to a person who is difficult to manage or control. When used to describe a small quantity, it implies that the amount is just enough to be useful but not abundant. A handful of berries, for example, might be enough for a snack, but not enough to make a pie. Overall, handful conveys the idea of scarcity or limitation, whether in terms of physical objects or individual behavior.